Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and easy cheese omelette. Let's go ahead and look at the ingredient and get the cooking started. Here I crack 4 eggs into the bowl and then add 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon mushroom seasoning and black pepper to taste. Whisk the egg together really well until they are well combined. Alright, now I will add about 2 tablespoons olive oil into a pan and swirl it around. After that, I will wait until the oil is hot. Then I will add in garlic, ginger. Continue to stir fry until the garlic and the ginger turn slightly brown. Then I will add in chopped or sliced leek. I use 1 medium leek. Some piece I chop it a little bit big, so I'm trying to break them down. Continue stirring until the leek turn into slightly brown. That looks good. Now I will add in sliced tomato and stir them together. Alright, so I will add in the beaten eggs, slowly pouring into the pan. Continue until you are done with all the beaten egg. Alright, now I will add in some dill, chopped dills. I like it. I like dills with eggs. I also add some chopped parsley. Wow, the fragrance from all the herbs, the leek, the dill or the garlic, ginger are amazing already. Now I will sprinkle some onion powder, garlic powder, and I will cover the pot for about 2 minutes, or then I will take the lid off and check the bottom. Make sure it doesn't burn, and I'm trying to move the pan around and to make sure all the eggs that are not cooked spread evenly. Now I will use a spatula to flip or to check inside. It's slightly golden brown, so that's pretty good. And then I will add about half a cup or to 1 cup shredded Colby jack cheese or mozzarella cheese if you have one. I don't have, so I just use the Colby jack cheese. You can use any cheese of your preference. Okay, now I will try to fold it over. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to show some love by subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more yummy food and dessert recipe to you guys. Thank you. Use a bamboo spatula to gently flip it over or fold it over to make omelette. Oh, the smell is amazing. Okay, now I will cover the lid up again and to let it cook for about 1 minute. After 1 minute done, and my omelette is ready. Wow, it's so delicious, so fluffy. The fragrance is spectacular. Now I will transfer the omelette into a serving plate. Oh, look at all those cheesy egg. Oh my goodness. You have no idea how delicious and fragrant it is right now. So I hope you give it a try if you want to know how delicious it is. So beautiful, so fluffy, so fragrant. I will topping with some sesame seed and some dill and parsley on the side. If you have like sriracha, you can use that as well, but I don't have it at the moment, so I'm gonna skip the sriracha. Now it's time to taste test my cheesy omelette that I made today. So let's see how it tastes. It's so fluffy and so delicious. The smell is amazing. Look at that. So cheesy. If you want to check out more of my eggs recipe or egg drop soup recipe, check out this video right here. Until next time.